In the second part of this video, I will show you how you can start mining proof of memes on SimpleMining. So open your SimpleMining account and from the left side go to the group config. From the right side you have a blue button add new group config. When you open this, it will open this window. First you need to name your group, choose your miner program. I will choose LOL miner, same as in Windows. Check this box run as root, select your miner version. The latest version is LOL miner 1.63 and now we need to edit this miner option. So first, instead of etc hash, we need to enter it hash, and now we need to enter information from the pool and add in this field. Now you need to enter your wallet address and your rig name. Copy your wallet address and paste here. If you leave the worker name like this, $rig name, this command will use the name of your rig. Instead of naming each rig with a different name, you can just leave like this and this command will use the name of the rig. After you've entered the pool information and your wallet address, you can click on the save button. Now we have prepared a group config for mining proof of memes in SimpleMining.